In 2018, the Phi Delta Theta International Fraternity made a remarkable strategic choice. A choice that few Greek organizations have ever attempted. A choice that will change the culture and the impact of our brotherhood for generations. The choice was to build a charitable foundation whose purpose is aligned with the long-term Phi Delta Theta efforts for the cause of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS. The 100% fatal disease took the life of Baseball Hall of Famer and Fidel Lou Gehrig, Fidel brother Neil Alexander, who created Live Like Lou, and so many of our brothers and loved ones over the years. Phi Delta Theta has always supported ALS, and now we have a partner. The foundation is called Live Like Lou. It's led by Phis and supported by Phis. Together, we are going to leave ALS better than we found it.
And we are back. Sorry for all the technical difficulties we are experiencing here. This is the second series of the night. This is between Me So Corny and Fun Bags. It'll be another interesting game, like I said earlier. For those of you that are now joining the stream, we will be officially kicking off tonight, or the second series of tonight, at 7:50, so you do have a bit of time to join the stream if you still need to. We do once again apologize for all of the technical difficulties you're experiencing. We had completely lost the stream and was trying to figure out how to get it back, so.
It was no problem for us, was it, Professor Johnson? We just called an exciting game, and it was a practice round.
Yeah, we used to going old school with no technology whatsoever, so.
When turn up the volume meant we turned up the volume.
I think they would like to start now if it was up to them. The two teams are warming up as we speak.
Brendan was recently inducted into the Mascuda Cornhole Hall of Fame. It's the second person in his family to be inducted.
Who are the others?
His half-brother.
It's a family tradition. You know, I hear there's talk about this becoming an Olympic sport.
I would love if it became an Olympic sport, but I doubt it due to the fact that I know that the United States is the only country that views this professionally. So
There's actually professionals in this sport.
ESPN. Yeah, ESPN, the Johnsonville ACS Cornhole Championships.
I finally found a sport I'm in shape for.
Yeah, the 2020 ACL World Championships.
Wow.
And they say world, but America's the only country that recognizes it as a professional sport.
See, Dickie J, something we could train for.
Well, I was not comfortable without a pitcher in my hand playing, and I think that put us at a disadvantage.
Absolutely.
And the winners of that tournament could win anywhere from $60,000 to $1 million, depending on how well they play.
That's a lot of brats.
Yeah.
A really lucrative tailgate.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
As you can see on the stream, Me So Corny will be red bags and Fun Bags will be blue bags. I don't think there's ever an easy way to say that.
I wouldn't think so. But this is a game of throws.
Introduce the team to the
How many times do you want me to introduce the teams, man? So for those of you just recently joining the stream, we do want to say that, sorry for the technical difficulties, the two teams that you see warming up as we speak is Me So Corny versus Fun Bags. Me So Corny is comprised of Allison Tratine and maybe Ambrose, and Fun Bags is Brendan Jones and Lena Jerson. If you missed the earlier series, the Mid-Illini Hicks are moving on to the championship series, which will be played Saturday night at 7 p.m. under the football lights. We now go courtside with our official on-site referee, Adam Greer, with the official coin toss.
All right, everyone, I have a coin here with two sides. If it lands on blue, blue throws first. If it lands on red, red throws first. Blue is throwing first. Go ahead.
Job keeping pace, isn't it? Did you ever fall over a cornhole board, Professor Johnson?
+1 red.
Not that I can remember.
No, yeah. I don't think I did either. I tripped once on a gopher hole.
Red's throwing first.
Me So Corny takes the early lead against Fun Bags with a 1-0 lead. English is hard today, I'll tell you that much.
7 points blue.
Blue retaliates in the second frame with 7 points. Fun Bags has now taken the lead 7-1.
Blue's throwing first.
They seem to be on a roll here.
It's not surprising Brendan was inducted into the Hall of Fame, that type of throwing.
Carrying on that family tradition, and it's a beautiful thing.
One point blue.
I heard they played this when they crossed the prairies in the
throwing
Conestoga
first.
wagons. Have you ever heard that, Dickie J?
Conestoga wagons?
Yeah, they would say, after a long day on the trail, they would pull over and somebody would yell, "Bag this," so they dug holes and they started the game. That's how
I thought the Mr. Mays story was a better one.
I can only repeat history, I can't make it.
One point red. Red is throwing first.
1 point order to red. So Me So Corny is trailing Fun Bags 8-2.
Oh, that was nice form there. It's the follow through.
points blue. Blue is throwing first.
Look at the concentration there. The dedication, the concentration, the consternation,
The constipation.
the constipation, all of it all in one.
Five points blue.
Fun Bags has stretched their lead out even more. The score is now 15-2.
Yes, 15-2. One point red.
I haven't seen a shot that short since Connell missed a putt on
Red is
number
throwing
7.
first.
Oh, I thought he pulled a hammy, but it looks like he just had a scratch and itch.
1
He had
point was
two
awarded
lippers
to
on that
Fun
one.
Bags, taking our score 16-3.
A double lipper, you said?
Double lipper.
That was a
4
good throw.
points red. Red is throwing first.
Waiting to look at the frames here. 4 points awarded to Me So Corny. The lead, Fun Bags' lead is now 16-7.
Six points blue.
Fun Bags was awarded 6 points in that frame, which has officially ended the first game of the series. Fun Bags has won 22-7.
22-7, but it looked closer to that for a while there, didn't it?
First frame, I thought it was going to be a close game. Then Fun Bags came out and scored 7 points, and well, I guess you could say that was the end of the road. We now go courtside, Adam Greer, for our second coin toss of the series.
Watch his technique on the flip.
All right, guys. Same thing as before. I got a coin with 2 sides.
On the
Lands
flip.
on blue, blue throws
That's a
first.
technique.
Lands on red, red throws first.
2 sides to that coin.
Oh, the coin has got away! The coin is empty! Oh! The coin made a break for it, ladies and gentlemen, but we're able to find it.
Just a reminder, this is a best of 3 series, so if Fun Bags were able to win this game, they would move on to the championship round to face the Mid-Illini Hicks, Saturday at 7 o'clock, under the football lights.
points blue. Blue is throwing first.
Fun Bags takes the early lead with 4 points in that frame.
You know, Dickie J, we should have entered this tournament. Oh, wait a minute, we did. Never mind.
4 points blue.
Fun Bags repeats the frame there, scoring another 4
Blue is
points,
throwing first.
taking a very early lead, 8-0.
Red.
Here comes Red on the comeback trail.
Red is throwing first.
Me So Corny finally gets on the board with 2 points.
Right now it's just dead air.
We just got fired on the air as the commentator.
You guys can say something. You can have a conversation.
No points.
Who is your
Red
favorite
is
color
still
commentator of
first.
all time, Dickie J?
Brian, I'm seeing comments on the stream right now saying that nothing is showing. They can hear the audio, but they cannot see anything.
Oh, well, we'll describe the
On
action.
my
There's a
computer, though,
bag
I
in the
do
air.
have
Ooh,
video,
okay,
so I'm
now.
not 100% sure. If you are still experiencing those technical difficulties, could you please comment something? I want to make sure that is fixed.
We could do this like one of the Cubs color guys. Oh, that was, oh
5
my.
points
That
blue.
was good. Oh, can you believe that?
Blue is
5
throwing
points
first.
awarded to Blue. Fun Bags has taken a 13-2 lead.
And there we have a red on the board. And a blue on the board. And a red off the board. And a blue in the dirt.
It looks like
Another
from one
red on the
stream to
board.
the other, we only lost one viewer, so I
Red
think
is
that's
throwing
pretty solid.
first.
We went from 12 to 11. Me So Corny scores again with 1 point, taking the lead 13-3.
So tomorrow night they're showing a
7
movie
points
on the
blue.
Jumbotron here on the football field. And the following night is the finals of the bags tournament.
Saturday.
And some people say there's nothing to do on campus. That's crazy.
Fun Bags has taken a very large lead, 20-3, with the 7 points scored in the last frame. They only need one more point to advance to the championship round against the Middle Illini Hicks.
One point red. Red is throwing first.
got to respect these athletes for in the heat of competition they have time to get it.
Fun Bags is looking to seal the deal.
Three points, Blue. Blue has won.
Oh, the heat of competition was awesome here, ladies and gentlemen.
Fun Bags will be advancing to the championship round against the Mid-Illini Hicks with a commanding win, 23-4 against Miso Corny. We appreciate all of the teams coming out and playing tonight. Congratulations to Mid-Illini Hicks and Fun Bags for their wins tonight and advancing to the championship round. In just a few minutes, we will be going upstairs with our sideline reporter, Nehemiah DeClaw, with his post-game interview with Fun Bags.
Professor Johnson, this was an enjoyable evening to spend,
Yes.
but now we're going to go where the Buffalo roam.
Absolutely. Thank you guys for commentating with me and staying here through many technical difficulties. We really appreciate it.
We can be reached at ESPN rate. No, never mind.
Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for doing it.
Yeah, good job on it, Brian. Any fights coming up? Good job, guys.
Thank you guys too.
As usual, all proceeds from this tournament does go to the Live Like Lou Foundation for ALS. And if you're wondering exactly what the Live Like Lou Foundation for ALS does, here's a short video that will explain all of that, because I can't. It's too much information for me.
In 2018, the Phi Delta Theta International Fraternity made a remarkable strategic choice. A choice that few Greek organizations have ever attempted. A choice that will change the culture and the impact of our brotherhood for generations. The choice was to build a charitable foundation whose purpose is aligned with the long-term Phi Delta Theta efforts for the cause of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS. The 100% fatal disease took the life of Baseball Hall of Famer and Fidel Lou Gehrig, Fidel brother Neil Alexander, who created Live Like Lou, and so many of our brothers and loved ones over the years. Phi Delta Theta has always supported ALS, and now we have a partner. The foundation is called Live Like Lou. It's led by Phis and supported by Phis. Together, we are going to leave ALS better than we found it.
Welcome back to the live stream. We will now be moving upstairs with our sideline reporter, Nehemiah DeClaw, with our post-game interview with Fun Bags.
Hello, I am with the winners of this series, Fun Bags. They'll be facing the Mid-Illini Hicks on Saturday in the championship. How are you guys feeling?
Pretty good. Why you sound so nervous?
Alrighty, again, they will be facing the Mid-Illini Hicks on Saturday for the championship game. Back down.
Thank you for that wonderful sideline interview, Nehemiah. As he said, the Fun Bags will be facing the Mid-Illini Hicks this Saturday evening at 7 p.m. We are doing our best to bring you an absolute treat. We will be showing this game on the football field under the lights on Saturday evening at 7 p.m. Please keep an eye out for the stream of that event. And as always, thank you, and we will see you next time.